Hi! Today's episode we're going to talk about this one, the Weber charcoal kettle Master Touch. I'm going to show you the history behind it. I'm going to show you how it works from the bottom up all the way with air fluid and everything. So stay tuned and it's coming. I have been working with grilling for over 30 years. During that time, I have thousands of people learn how to make them be a better griller. Not by making it complicated, but showing how simple techniques can give you amazing result. On our channel, I guide you through everything you need to know about grilling to do it on the next level. Whether you're going to use a charcoal, gas or electric, I'm going to teach you how. So whether you just starting out or have been grilling for years, I'm here to share the practical tips, the recipe, tricks, and to help you to make the grilling to your next level and maybe be the best in your neighborhood. So hit that subscribe button, fire up the grill, and let's get started. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a new level of grilling. Okay, we start in the bottom. Here, the black one here is the ash tray. It's here the ashes come, and you don't have to be afraid you get some fire on the wood where you put the grill. That is perfect. It's quite easy to put it in place again like this. This here is to open and close in the bottom. If you fully open, you have the full air in. If you put it like this, it's totally closed. And I hope I can do like this. If you look, you can see it's like a pea. And if you put it like this, you get minimal with air in, and I'm going to show what you can use that for. The grid is made in 3 layers enamel in 800 degrees. You cannot get through it, I promise you. This one is to show how much air you want into the grill when it's on. There's something quite interesting there, because if you have it here fully open, then you have the full speed up, and here you open and close how much air you want in. Up here you can about 10 to 20 degrees up and down. Many of you have seen this before. It's the briquette holder, where you can do indirect grilling. So you put this like this, easy. So on each side like this. So now you can have briquettes here and here, nothing here. That means that when you have a big meat, for example pig neck or something like that, whole piece, then you have the briquette here and here, nothing in the middle. One way I used to do when I'm out grilling is to take like this. So I make it 50-50. Now I cannot do it. So you have 50% here with briquettes on, nothing here. That means if you make a lot of sausage or something like that, you put the raw sausage here, and when it's time for the kids to have the sausage, you put it over and get some color on it and grill it. If you want to do pulled pork or something long time, then you put this, as I show, on 50, just so you can see the pea, and then get this, put this here. When you put that, you can put the snake here. I'm gonna show in the next episode how to do the snake with smoke and everything. As you see, there's nothing in the middle here. So when you put this on here, you're gonna have the perfect to make a pulled pork or something really long time, spare ribs or so on. And then after that, you put on this grid, and here you put the meat. What this is, I will tell you in the next episode, is GBS, is Gourmet Barbecue System. I'm gonna talk with that about later. So instead of this briquette holder, I have something that I think much better. I have these briquette baskets, what I can put if I want indirect grilling, like this. If I want to have 50-50, I just put them together. And if I use the GBS system, I put them in the middle. Maybe I use stickhouse coal or something to heat up really hard. I'm going to show you in the next episode about the GBS, how you can get the marvelous meat of it. I use them a lot. When you close down here and you close here, the grill will go off. And the next time you start the grill, you still have a lot of briquettes left here, so you can start next time. I'm going to show you, as I said, next time how to do it. When you're using the grill, always use the lid on. And remember one thing, never ever lift it like this, because when you lift it like that, all the ash go up to the meat because of the vacuum. Always let it go down like this. And that also, if you don't have the lid holder that I have, do it like this till you come down instead. So always use the lid. If you should get the fire on with the lid and the fire go out. What do you think it is from the beginning? In the 50s, George Stephen worked at Weber Mechanic in Chicago, and he was tired of the grills that they have in the 40s and the 50s because they was open. You could not regulate whatever you wanted to have. It's burned meat and so on. So he wanted something with a lid. And this here was the beginning. It's a sea boy from the American Marine, and he cut the bottom off and tried to make something and make a lid on it, but it's always die out. So his neighbor told him that why not make hole in the bottom and in the top, so you get the air to go around. And there it was started the first Weber charcoal kettle grill. So in the next video I show how to light your charcoal the right way without using liquid fluid. We should not use that. We have to think about children and everything. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments. I answered them straight away from the grill. Oh, windy today. So in the next episode, I'm going to show you this one. Also, this will come in the next episode that we're going to talk about, and of course the briquette, the steakhouse, the normal coal, and how to start the grill. All that you will see in the next episode coming next Sunday, 2 o'clock. See you then. Bye.